So Storm Ashley is approaching Troon with the peak of it's going to hit around 3 PM, but it says highs of 75 to, well, potentially over 80. So we're down at 11 AM, it's still blowing over 30 miles per hour and it's only due to build. Hopefully we'll see, you know, it ramp up gradually and not go completely mental. We've also got a storm surge up against us, so by the end of today's session the water will be coming up into here. It's already a pretty high tide. The wind just now is about 25 to 35. Probably going to keep building. Looks pretty decent. Let's get firing about it before we lose our beach completely. Hopefully it'll pick up a bit more. There we go, it's getting windy. Phew.